Hello everyone, it's your girl Britt, the owner and the operator of Crafts by Britt, and for a Valentine's gift to you all, we are doing a tutorial session. So I'm going to be doing a multitude of tutorials over the next couple of weeks. Today we will be working on a 20-ounce sublimation tumbler. Now my friend did get this tumbler from Amazon, so I'm hoping she got the right tumbler. We also have our sublimation transfer sheet. And then we have our tumbler press. Once you get on the video, make sure you like the video, comment the video. Let me know, are you a crafter or a business owner? Make sure you like the video and comment the video. We're also going to need some heat protected tape, and we're going to need some scissors too. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by trimming up my image, but while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my tumbler press. I need it at 400 degrees, and we are gonna press this for 250 seconds, I believe. Or is this, yeah, 250 seconds. Okay, y'all, I haven't crafted in a while, so don't judge me. Please don't judge me. I have not been crafting lately. Once again, like the video, comment the video. We are going to be doing a tutorial on how to press your tumblers, okay? So once again, these are the things that we're going to need. Sublimation tumbler, transfer, heat protecting tape, scissors, and then also a heat press of some sort, a tumbler press or a mug press. Make sure y'all like the video. Comment the video. And right now I'm just trimming up my image. It does not have to be a perfect trim. When I printed this image off, I pushed this side all the way to the edge. So I only had to trim one side. Alright, so this is what we have. Yep, this is what we have. This is our tumbler. Now this did come from Amazon, and they gave us a little slip in case we were using a oven or something like that, but we're not gonna need this. So we just need this. Let me see. I gotta move y'all around. And I'm going to put you on the tripod so that y'all can see kind of what I'm doing better. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. It is free to show support. This is a free tutorial on how to heat press your mugs. Now, I'm not quite finished with setting up my craft room, so y'all don't be judging me. This is so that y'all can have a better view. Make sure you like the video, comment the video. It's free to show support, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see me good. So basically what I'm going to do is just make sure there's nothing on my tumbler. You can wipe it down with alcohol. You can get a microfiber towel and wipe it down. You just basically want to make sure that there's nothing on your tumbler, because if it is, it's going to show up on your image, okay? Another thing, you want to make sure that your image is flipped. So this should look backwards to me. If it looks the right way, then I'm doing it wrong. Okay? Now, some of y'all like y'all edges to be perfect, like at the ends. Me, it doesn't really matter to me. And also, you want to make sure that the top of your design is towards the top of the mug, okay? So one thing that I like to do, and I should have got my tape ready. I need a tape dispenser. But get you a couple of strips of tape together after you trim your image, and find something. And if you don't have a tape dispenser, you can just put it on the edge. So like right now I'm using a speaker. Make sure you like the video, comment the video. Let me know, are you a crafter or a business owner? So you only need a couple of pieces of tape. Some people like to tape theirs all the way down. I don't. Y'all, this is my first time crafting in my actual craft room, so I'm excited. If you didn't know and you've been following me for a while, we did move. Just the FYI, we moved in, got a bigger place, and so now I have a craft room. Okay, so you want to make sure that the tumbler is wrapped up nice and tight. Let me get on here and check on y'all. Make sure y'all can see it. Okay, y'all can see it. Make sure you like the video, comment the video, y'all. Participation is key. Okay, but you want to make sure that this is on there tight. You do not want loose paper on your tumbler, okay? Then you're going to get some tape, and you're just going to go down the seam line, and you're going to tape it up, okay? Tape. Make sure it's nice and tight. Like, you shouldn't be able to pinch up nothing right here. Make sure it is good and on that seam line because you don't want your design coming out the cup. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. I appreciate those that are tuning in. Another thing that I like to do is I like to get some tape and just kind of go on the bottom because you'll see while I'm doing this tumbler, I'm kind of going to apply some pressure to the bottom of the tumbler and I just don't want the image to come off. This is too much tape, so I'm going to cut this and put it on the other side. But just basically making sure that these bottom parts are sealed so that you can get a good bottom. You don't want ghosting and stuff on the bottom. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the same thing to the top. And I'm just going to make sure that it's tucked over and inside the mug. And then I'm just going to take the excess paper and I'm going to fold it down because, like I said, I want to make sure that I get a good top and bottom. So this is something similar that your mug should look like once you have it all taped up. No fancy tools. I mean, I might need some. I don't know. And if you're feeling unsure about a certain spot, you can go ahead and put extra tape if you want, just to make you feel safe. Now, this is my only tumbler, so I can't afford to be messing nothing up at all. So I'm going to make sure that I get it on there good and tight. Get it right, get it right, get it tight. All right, so this is my final outcome. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video, and I'm gonna move y'all over here towards the heat press if I can maneuver through. Gosh. All right, so here's another important thing to have when you are doing tumblers or working with the heat press. You want to have like a regular sheet of copy paper or something like that, because what'll happen is this sublimation ink will bleed through and it'll be all over your heat press and it'll be on your next design, okay? So just make sure you protect your heat press by wrapping it up. Ooh, I'm nervous, y'all. I have not been doing any type of crafting in the last couple of months. Like I said, we just moved, so I'm like, this is my only cup. Please, please, let it work. And I'm going to put a little bit of tape on here. Just a little bit so that I can make sure this stays secure, because I also don't want this design to be rumbling around and all that crazy stuff. So I'm just going to go over it one more time with this. Not all the way over it, but I'm going to put some of this tape on there. I'm going to cut it. Yeah, I might invest in me a tape dispenser for that. For sure, for sure. Make sure I tuck that around there nice and tight. And then I'm going to, do not force it in. I'm going to slide my tumbler into the heat press and have it touching the machine as less as possible because I don't want ghosting. So these little things right here, this is to help tighten it up. And I should have checked it before I even turned it on, but I didn't. But this is going to determine if you're going to get any ghosting or not. So just do your best to get these things tightened up before you actually put the tumbler on there. But I want to get it nice and tight as I can get it. Hopefully we didn't mess this up, y'all. I really should check. I have not used this equipment in a while, and I should have checked. But that's the thing about crafting is that you're going to make mistakes. Mistakes are okay. I hope it's okay. We'll see. I told her, I was like, girl, don't be judging me off of this tumbler. I ain't did nothing in a while, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. It's like, I guess, baking a cake you haven't baked in a while. So we'll see. What y'all been up to? What y'all want to yap about? I can't see the comments right now because for some reason in the groups, it don't let me see the comments. This heat press also came with some heat protecting gloves, so when it gets closer to time, I'm going to put these on because you do not want to handle a hot tumbler. It is extremely hot metal. Oh, y'all, but I'm nervous. I should have tightened that up before I put that on there. Good googly moogly. Good googly moogly. Oh, also tell me, are you doing sublimation? Are you strictly HTV? And then we're going to have some more episodes of this coming up to where basically I'm just showing y'all some different tutorials and stuff like that. So while we wait, let me know what type of crafting are you into? How long have you been crafting? Let me know, do y'all think my tumbler gonna come out all right? Because I really don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't know what's about to happen. I don't know what's been chewing on me. But I've been ate up. I think it's crazy how like, oh wait, y'all. Wait. I think I'm doing this wrong. I think the reason why it was messed up is because, oh my gosh. The reason why it wasn't set right, because glass is 250 seconds. Ooh, y'all done see me mess up a whole tumbler. I think this gonna be messed up, y'all. We're gonna go through with it, but I think this gonna be messed up. I done heat pressed it for too long. It's probably gonna be burnt. Help me, Lord. I think I got one more tumbler in there. But this is why I'm like, goodness gracious. Ooh, I'm so nervous. I'm like, 60 seconds is for metal. 250 seconds is for glass. I done put this stuff on a glass setting, y'all. Child. I got another transfer, so I don't know. We're going to have to see how this is going to come out. I don't know, y'all. I think I got one more tumbler. If it don't turn out right, then hey, me and her will have matching tumblers. Mine is going to be burnt. But I think I do have one 20-ounce tumbler. So, I was wondering, I was sitting here thinking like, when did this take so long? I'm tripping, y'all. Okay, so now I'm going to put this at the edge, and I'm going to put it all the way at the end, which it looks like it already got it, but I don't know. But I can see the design coming through. So we'll see how it come out. I don't know, y'all. I don't know where my brain is today. Okay, so now we're gonna take it and flip it, and then we're just gonna literally get this bottom rim of the tumbler. Can y'all see that good? Yeah, we're just gonna get the bottom end. Now, disclaimer: I heat pressed this tumbler for way too long. It's 60 seconds, not 250 seconds. Okay, I'm so sorry, y'all. I forgot that I had it set for a mug that I was working on. So I screwed this up big time. But anyways, we're going to flip it and we're going to do the same thing to the top. If this don't work out, then I have another tumbler and we'll just do it on there. We will just do it on there. It is okay. Hopefully this turned out right and I don't have to redo it because I don't necessarily want this tumbler, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So now we're going to flip it and do the other side. Hopefully one side ain't burnt. I don't know what this is going to look like. We're going to do the other side for a few minutes. I mean, the design is showing through. I'm going to check down here. And I just like to peel a little bit up just to see what it's going to look like. Because I'm impatient. But if this works out, it ain't nothing but God. Because I swear I might have one more tumbler. But I don't want to buy this girl another $7, $8 tumbler. So y'all, bow your heads and let us pray. Jesus, please let this work. Please. Please, Lord. It's up to you now. See, we got a seam line in there. But that's not a bad seam line. Please, please don't let half of this tumbler be burnt. And if it do, let it look like it's supposed to be. Okay, y'all. Okay. 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 Okay, y'all. We got some action. We got some action going. Okay. Okay, we got the good bottom. Y'all see what I was talking about with the bottom? All right, now let's try to pull some more of this off. Oh, my gosh. Y'all, I guess it'll be a good tumbler for me to use if this don't work out. But I don't know. I'm hoping I don't have to redo it. I don't want this tumbler. Okay. Brace yourselves. Can I get a drum roll here? Can somebody come through with the drum rolls for me, please? I'm in here about to sweat out my little silk press. It's hot. I'm slaving. I done almost messed this tumbler up. I don't know if I messed this tumbler up. Can I get a drum roll before we get the rest of this off? Because Lord knows I'm scared. Oh, that's a bet. That's a bet. That's a BET. That's a BET. Now, can I get a drum roll for doing some good work? That seam line not bad at all. Yeah. Yeah. I think I ate that right up. I think I ate that right up. I think I did. I think I ate that up. Look at that bottom. Look. That's not a bad bottom at all. For me not to be crafting in months, that is a dang good bottom. Look at that. Okay, now let's check out the top. For me not to have crafted for months, tell me I ain't eat this up. Yeah. Yeah. Stop playing with that girl. Hold on, let me get the top for y'all real quick. Stop playing with that girl. am done with this already. Okay, so if y'all have any questions about how to press a 20-ounce tumbler, make sure y'all mention it in the comments. I cannot see the comments right now, but I will go back and answer any questions that y'all might have. This heat press, this tumbler press that I'm using, this came off of Amazon. It did include the heat gloves and then a measuring board as well. It really, to be honest with you, I started off using a mug press, but this thing works wonders. Just make sure to apply that extra pressure to the top and to the bottom, because I see a lot of people having an issue with that. But I love y'all. I'm glad to be back. I think this was a good introduction and a lesson for y'all not to panic, because I was panicking, y'all. I didn't know how this was going to come out. But I love y'all. I miss y'all. And then I will see y'all later in the week. I'm going to try to switch it up for the next next week in a couple of days until Valentine's Day. But tomorrow we are going to do shot glasses using 651 vinyl. Shot glasses using 651 vinyl. We'll be on here between the hours of 7:30 and 8 p.m., okay? I'll see you at 8 p.m. CST, 7:30 CST. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace out.